There is someone.
So Shabab, today inshallah we're starting the chapter 5. So what is the first article in chapter 5, Shabab? Cascade control. What is Shabab?
Cascade control.
Cascade control. So we have controller 1. Controller 1 is there. It has set point. It has PV, its own set point, its own PV. Output of this controller is going as a set point another controller. Output of this controller is going as set point to another controller. That is called the cascade control. Now this controller also has its process variable, its own process variable. And output of this controller is going to final control element. Final control element. Shwab with me?
Yes.
Controller 1 is there. Output of this controller going as a set point. It can be PV, it can be a lot of other ways, but we are saying as set point. As what? Set point. Output of this controller is going as a set point to the second controller. That's what we say cascade. This controller, both controllers have their PV, and output of this controller is going to the final control element. This final control element will be can be like valve, can be pump, lot of things. Right, Shabab? This controller we also say the master controller. Master controller. This controller we also say the slave controller. This controller we also say the primary controller. This controller we also say the secondary. Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. That's good. This is primary PV. This is secondary PV. And we know PV is coming from where, Shabab? Who is sending the PV?
Controller process.
Who is sending the PV? Sensor. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing sensor. Very good. So this is primary sensor is there. Then obviously primary transmitter is there. Secondary sensor is there. Secondary transmitter is there. Right, Shabab? This is the set point for the whole system. For the whole system, this is the set point. One set point is going to the whole system. Output of one controller is going as a set point to the other, and output of the secondary controller or the slave controller is going to the final control element. Right, Shabab? Now, before we go further, let us see one control system, that is simple feedback control system, and see what are the problems with that. It has a lot of problems that we need to see. Here is a heat exchanger. We have discussed it so many times. Heat exchanger, Heat exchanger is there, right, Shabab? Cold fluid in, hot fluid out. Then here we take the temperature indicator transmitter that goes to the temperature indicator controller. This is PV, we all know. This is set point, and this is the steam line. Steam in, and what we do, we put here the valve. I to P converter is there, and this is condensate. Condensate out. Yes, Shabab. This is a simple feedback controller. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me?
Yes.
That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. Okay. Tell me any drawback, any bad thing with it. What is the bad thing with it? Tell me some bad things about this controller.
Type of valve.
Sorry?
Type
Type of valve we can, yeah, I get you. But type of valve we can put. So it is normally open, normally closed. What it should be?
normally closed.
Normally. Okay. No, this is a system. What are the bad things with the system? I am not saying with the some special equipment like transmitter or valve or controller. Overall system has a lot of problems. What are those problems? First problem, if we cut this pipe, this is the pipe here, right? We cut this pipe. Is there any way the controller knows the pipe has been cut?
No.
No way. So controller is blind. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing no. So controller is blind. Controller will think obviously steam is not coming in, right? If the steam is not coming, the temperature will not be attained here. Here the temperature will start, decreasing. So the controller will think open the more valve. The controller will open the more valve, more, even 100% open. But even then, no use because the pipe is broken. So there is no use for this thing. Right, Shabab? So there is no use. So this is one problem. Another problem, for example, here we measure the temperature of this draft. This draft temperature we measure. Shabab with me?
Yes.
That's good. This temperature will go to the transmitter, sensor measure it. It will go to the transmitter. Transmitter will send it to the controller. Then controller will decide. Then it will send I to P converter. Then to the valve, and then the valve will open the more and steam will come. Meanwhile, how much fluid has been lost? How much fluid has been lost, Shabab, meanwhile? Lot fluid. And the fluid is expensive, even the water is expensive. So if it is some expensive fluid, so a lot of fluid has been spoiled already. There is a golden example when we take the bath at home in the winter. What we do? Yes, Shabab.
Again.
When we take bath at home, what we do? We need the hot water, right?
Open the hot water to come in.
Hot water tap. Open the hot water tap. No, as soon as you open it, the cold water is coming, right?
Yes.
Then you have to waste some cold water, and then the hot water will come, right?
Yes.
Then hot water is more hot. Then what you will do? You will open the cold water. You will mix it,
Yes.
right?
Control.
Meanwhile, how many liters of water you have lost it?
Again.
how much water have you lost? Lot water. Lot of brothers, mashallah, are writing lot water. No doubt. Okay, many liters. Some brothers writing many liters. That's good. Now, what is the solution for that? Same here. You measure the temperature here. You measure the temperature here. It will travel whole the loop, and the correction will come. Right? Now, when the correction will come, maybe a lot of water, lot of fluid already have been flowed. So it will disturb the system. So is there any solution for that? This is like two very general, you can say, drawbacks. There are a lot of other drawbacks that we explain in our book, that I already have put in our book. So is there any solution for that? Can we do some solution for that, for these drawbacks, or we have to live with it? For example, at our home, what is the solution? What is the solution? As soon as we open the tap, hot water must be there. What is the solution for that? Yes, Shabab. Maybe some brother, they already have this solution at home. Yes. At home, we can put the instant heater with the tap. So what we do? We put an instant heater with the tap. As soon as we open the tap, hot water is there. But again, you have to pay the price for the instant heater. It is not free. You have to pay the price for that. So if we want to fix this system, we want to put something here. As soon as the pipe get broken, controller knows there is a price for that. We want to make it faster, as a lot of brothers they are writing, make it faster, so the you can see the duration between this thing decreases. Again, you are decreasing the lag time. This is lag time. You are decreasing it. Okay, you have to pay the price for that. You have to add the equipment. You have to add the equipment here, and you will pay the price for that. Right, Shabab? Okay. We can convert it, no problem. We will convert it into cascade, and it will solve a lot of problems. Okay, let's convert it into cascade. What we do, we put at the stream in, we put a sensor here. We put this flow sensor, right, Shabab? And we put a flow indicator transmitter here, that is sending signal to the let me move the camera a little up. This flow indicator transmitter is sending signal to the flow controller. We put the flow controller here. Now, this is temperature indicator transmitter. We are putting here, it is sending signal to the temperature indicator controller, and we have the set point here. This one sending signal to the flow indicator controller, that is giving the output to the this valve. So with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. No.
Again?
Which one? Sorry?
Can you repeat again the last?
Yeah, I will. Just give me 1 minute. Now, what was the problem? If the pipe is broken, it is, some brother is writing, he cannot see. Okay, let me bring a little down. So we take this flow indicator transmitter. Now you can see it. Okay. Then here we put the flow indicator controller. Output of this controller is going to this one, and output of this controller going to I2P converter. Okay, Shabab. What was the first problem there? If the pipe is broken, there was no way the controller can know it, right? Before.
Yes.
Now, if this pipe is broken, what this transmitter will read? What this sensor will read? 0. Very good. Brother Ali is writing 0. Very good. So right away this controller will understand the pipe has broken. Lot of other brothers now writing, mashallah. So right away this controller will know this is broken. This is one thing. And the other thing was there that it was slower. So now this action is not just depending upon the temperature. Now this action is also depending upon the flow. So as soon as the temperature is lag time is more, that this controller will increase the flow also. Before there was no control the flow. Now it is also reading the flow. If flow is less, no need to open the valve more. If the flow is more, then open the valve more. So the lag time will be reduced. So bear with me, and a lot of other things. We are coming to the point. Can we make the cascade whenever we want, or are there some requirements for that? So bear with me. We just discussed two things. We just discussed two drawbacks. So is these two drawbacks are enough to make a cascade, or we need more? So we need more something. So just let us discuss first this one very fast. What is this, Shabab? What is this signal?
PV.
Output.
PV. PV for this controller is the primary controller or secondary?
Primary.
Primary. Very good. This controller output is what? This is what here?
M output.
Output. What is this one for this controller?
PV or
Set
No.
point.
set point.
Set point. Very good. This is what for this controller?
VV.
Here is
PV. Very good. What is this for this controller?
output. M.
Output. What type of sensor is this, Shabab? What type of sensor is this?
Transmitter.
No, sensor. What type of sensor? Flow sensor. Lot of brothers are writing flow sensor. Good. But what type? What is the type of this flow sensor? What is the type of this flow sensor? No doubt it is flow sensor. What is the type? Orifice plate. What is the type, Shabab? Orifice plate. Okay. Now the question, can we make the cascade for anything, or there are some requirements? We have to follow some requirements for that. It is not that we can make the cascade whenever we want, because we just discussed two things, but there are a lot of other things also there. So let's start with the requirements. Requirements of the cascade. From one eye, if we see it one eye, when we make the cascade from a feedback loop, it is becoming more expensive or less expensive, Shabab?
More expensive.
More expensive. We are adding one controller, one transmitter, one sensor, lot of things, right? As an engineering point of view, because we are engineers, we don't care about the money. We just care about the engineering. As engineering point of view, it is coming less complex or more complex?
More complex.
More complex, obviously. So as an engineering point of view, even it is not good. So should we make it, just make it, or there are some requirements for that? Obviously, there are some requirements. Requirements. There are 4 requirements, Shabab. 4 requirements. Number 1, secondary loop process dynamics. What was the process dynamics, Shabab? Process dynamics. What was that? Process dynamics. Have you heard this word before? Process dynamics. Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
Have you heard this word before, process dynamics? Yes. Some brother they are writing yes. So tell me, what are these? It was which chapter? Process dynamics was which chapter, Shabab? No, not chapter 1. Brother Ali, not chapter 1. Think over it.
Do you mean, teacher, that 5 point or 4?
Process dynamics. A lot of brothers they are saying 3, chapter 3. No. No, 1 is left, chapter 2, obviously. Chapter 2 is there. So what was the process dynamics, Shabab, there? What was those? Gain, Kp, Td, dead time, and tau. Remember, Shabab? So process dynamics of secondary loop must be greater than or equal to 4 times of the primary loop. What does it mean, Shabab? You can make the cascade, if the Kp for the secondary loop is 4 times better than the primary loop. Which one is the secondary loop here? Which one is the secondary loop, Shabab? How many loops are there?
Flow.
Flow indicator.
Flow. very
Indicator
good.
controller.
So how many loops we have here? 2 loops. One is temperature, one is flow. So which one is the primary loop? Temperature loop. Which one is the secondary loop? Flow loop. Right?
Right.
So what we are controlling here? We are controlling here temperature. What is our primary element?
Temperature.
Temperature sensor.
Yeah.
What is our primary variable? Temperature. What is our secondary variable?
Flow.
Flow. So we are controlling the temperature in terms of flow. Shabab with me?
So teacher,
We are controlling the temperature in terms of flow. Shabab with me?
yes.
That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes, very good. So primary loop is temperature and secondary loop is
Flow.
flow. Very good. Okay. Now the first requirement is saying what? First requirement is saying Kp of the secondary loop, Td of the secondary loop, tau of the secondary loop must be 4 times better than the primary loop. If it is not 4 times better, you cannot make the cascade. So in other words, the secondary loop should be faster. Its dynamics should be faster. That's why we are making, because before when it was just the feedback loop, it has a lot of problems. It was not fast. It was very slow. The process was very slow. So why we put the cascade? Because we want the secondary loop at faster. How much faster? How much faster, Shabab? 4 times. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 4 times faster. Otherwise, don't make it. This is big money, big complex. So we don't want it if it is not faster. So if the secondary loop Kp, primary loop Kp is 1, what should be the primary loop Kp? Process gain how much? 4. That's good. If this one is 1, it should be 4. If this is all the things, if the Td here, for example, 4, how much should be here?
16.
Think over it. Yash Bab, Yash. 1, very good. Brother Ibrahim, very good. 4 times better. What is ideal Td? What is ideal Td, Shabab? 0.
0.
So if it is 4 here, for the primary loop it is 4. How much it should be here? 1. Then it will be fast. 1, very good. Well, then it will be fast. If the tau is here 4, how much it should be here?
1.
1.
1. Very good. So the secondary loop process dynamics must be minimum 4 times than the primary loop. This is first requirement. Requirement number 2. Primary loop must have influence over primary loop. Secondary loop, sorry, here is secondary loop, Shabab. Secondary loop must have influence over the primary loop. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes, with
No. Here, the secondary loop has influence over primary loop or not? Yes, very good. If we change the flow, the temperature will change. If we bring more steam, the temperature will change. If we bring the less steam, the temperature will change. So, if the influence is not there, is it worth it? It's going to solve the problem? Yes, Shabab?
No.
No, it cannot solve the problem. So very good. Lot of brothers they are writing no. Okay. What is the third requirement, Shabab? Somebody gonna read it for me? The third requirement? Yes, Shabab. Page 7. Page 7, third
Secondary
requirement.
loop. Secondary loop must be measured at the controllable.
Very good. Secondary loop must be measured,
And
and
controllable.
controllable. What does it mean, measured, Shabab? Measured mean what? Measured mean what? It should have what? How we can measure?
Sensors.
Very good. Lot of brothers are writing sensor, some brother writing PV. Sensor should be there. Very good. What does it mean controllable? Controllable mean what?
Valve.
Control. Controller. So sensor should be there, controller should be there. We have the sensor, we have the controller. Both we have. Shabab with me?
Yes.
That's good. Okay, Shabab. Now read the fourth requirement. If you explain your words, you will get the first. Yeah, Shabab, read the D, fourth requirement. Explain in your words, get the first. Page 7, yes. Page 7, chapter 5. Yes, Shabab. Who gonna get the first? Read it, explain your own words, get the first. No, no brother wants?
Wait a minute. Wait,
Teacher.
teacher.
Yes, please. Yes.
Teacher, first one, could you explain it again? Because when you apply the number, for example, I don't understand.
You first tell me the fourth one.
Teacher,
Yes.
only read it the number 4 or you want to
No,
answer?
no, you need to explain your own words, not read. Explain in your words.
I guess it's mean put the cascade control in good area for the disturbance because the same heating exchanger.
Okay, Shabab, see here. The secondary loop must be in an area where most disturbances where maximum disturbances are there, put the secondary loop in that area. Shabab with me?
Teacher,
Yes.
I understand, teacher.
Now see here. That's good, mashallah. If you understand, that's good. See here now. One is the temperature loop, right? One is the flow loop. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes.
No, flow has the more disturbance or temperature has the more disturbance?
Flow.
Flow, logically, obviously, flow is flowing something, steam is flowing, so it will have more disturbance, right? Also, it has more changing, right? So the secondary loop should be the flow, not the temperature. So what with me? So what with me?
Yes, with you.
That's good. So if somebody make the temperature as secondary loop and flow as primary loop, it will not be cascade. It will be wrong. Right, Shabab? Okay. These are the 4 requirements. What is the first requirement? What is the first requirement, Shabab?
Secondary loop has to be 4 times of primary loop.
Secondary loop must be 4 times faster than the primary loop. Right, Shabab? In process gain, in data time, in time constant. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Any brother has any question here? Lot of brothers they are writing yes. If you have any question, please ask. Some brother was asking the question. Please ask again.
Teacher, could you explain first one?
Yeah, that's what I am saying. If you have any question, please ask. The secondary loop, see here, the secondary loop must be 4 times faster than the primary loop in terms of process gain, data time, and time constant.
That's mean
These are the
if the TD and the primary 1, 4 in the secondary.
Yes. Not TD, KP. You know what is TD?
Dead
TD is
time.
what? What?
Dead time.
That time. So what is the ideal that time?
0.
0. So if the secondary loop has the dead time 1, what should be the primary loop dead time? Yes. If the secondary loop has a dead time 1, what should be the primary loop dead time?
0.
No, not 0, 4. Lot of others they are writing 4. That is written here 4 times. Okay, go the other way. If the primary loop have dead time 1, what should be the secondary loop dead time? Minimum. Yes, Shabab. If the primary loop has a dead time 1, what should be the secondary loop dead time minimum?
4.
4?
It'll be near to 0.
How come 0? Just one brother is writing correct. Lot of brothers they are writing. Here it is 1. Data time here 1. How much here? It should be better 4 times than this. If it is 1, how much here? Very good. 0.25. Lot of brothers know they are writing. 0.25. It is 4 times better. KP, if KP is 1 here, how much KP should be here? Yes, Shabab. Lot of brothers they are writing 4. If KP is here 1, this should be 4 times better, right? Secondary loop should be 4 times better. So how much here?
0.2.
How come 0.2? If it is 1 here it should be 4 times better. So 4 times of 1 is how much? Lot of brothers they are writing 4. Okay, the TD is here 4. How much here TD? If the TD is here 4, how much here?
1.
1. If the tau is here 1, how much here?
0.25.
0.25, 1 by 4. So like this is the minimum. It can be more, that is better. The second condition, secondary loop must have influence over the primary loop. This is the second requirement. Third requirement, secondary loop must be measured and controllable. So it should have its own sensor, transmitter and its own controller. And the fourth one, that is the most important, secondary loop must be in an area where most disturbances are there. So we cannot put it to some area there is no disturbance. Shubha with me? Shubha with me?
So
That's good. A lot of people they're writing yes. Okay, Shubha. What are the advantages now? We need to see the advantages. Page 6. Page 6, Shubha. Advantages of the cascade. Please tell the first advantage.
better control of the primary variable.
Better control of the primary variable. That's what we make the cascade, right? This is our reason to make the cascade. Before the control was not better, we make the cascade to control is better. Please read the next.
Primary variable less affected by disturbance.
See the fourth condition. What is the fourth requirement? Secondary loop should have the maximum disturbances. So the primary loop has less disturbance, right? Right, Shabab?
Yes,
Okay, please read the third.
faster recovery from disturbance.
Is it true? Is it true, Shabab? It is 4 times faster. 4 times faster. So obviously the recovery will be faster. Please read the next.
Reduce the effective magnitude of time lag.
Sorry, you missed one. Increase the natural frequency of the system. So when we make the cascade, how much it become the faster, Shabab? 4 times faster. The secondary loop is 4 times faster. So it will increase the natural frequency of the system or not?
yes,
Well,
Yeah, obviously it will increase. Yeah, please read the next.
reduce the effective magnitude of a time lag.
So the time lag, if it becomes 4 times faster in the secondary loop, the time lag will reduce or increase? Yes, Shabab.
Reduce.
Reduce, obviously. Please read the next.
Improve dynamic performance.
Dynamic performance mean what? Kp, Td, tau. So are they improved or not?
Yes, they improved 4 times.
They improved. Very good. Yes, please read the next.
Provide limits on the secondary variable.
This is the third one. The secondary variable measured and controlled. If you guys remember, when it was just the feedback, this pipe broken, nobody knows. No, if this pipe broken, the sensor is there. Shubha with me? Shubha with me?
yes,
So this sensor is also providing limits. You can put the low limit and the high limit in the controller. So it is also true. Yes, brother, please read the next.
Allow faster secondary controller to handle disturbance in the secondary loop.
Secondary loop is how much faster? How much faster is the secondary loop, Shabab? 4 times. So it is obviously true. Yes, please read the next.
Allow secondary controller to handle non-linear final control element
Final
problem.
control element. This control valve, highly non-linear. It is not linear. Control valve is always non-linear. So the controller, here it is 4 times faster. So it will also handle the control valve very fast. Please read the next.
Allow operator to directly control secondary loop during certain mode of operation. Startup.
So now the operator can make this one manual or automatic separately and the primary loop manual or automatic separately. So now the controller, the operator has better control. The operator on the plant, it has better control. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
yes.
Yes.
That's good. Okay, disadvantages. What is the first disadvantage, Shabab?
Cost of measurement of secondary variable.
Cost, what we increase? We increase one controller, transmitter. We make it costly. So yeah, we get the better control. We remove lot of our drawbacks, but it become expensive. As an engineer, what is the drawback?
More complex.
More complex. It becomes more complex. Before you have just one controller, one sensor transmitter, that's it. Now it becomes two controllers. Now you have to pay more attention. You have to work more. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Shabab with me? Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. Okay, a lot of brothers, they are saying no question. Okay, no, that's good. If there is some question, we can answer, inshallah, no problem. Is it necessary all the time the primary loop is temperature and the secondary loop is flow, Shabab? Is it necessary?
No.
Not necessary. Okay, let's try to make a block diagram for this. And then that block diagram, we will convert wherever we want. Right, Shabab? So, we always start from the, you can say primary process. So, primary process is what? Heat exchanger. Heat exchanger is the primary process. We are starting from here. Right, Shabab? Here the temperature measurement. Temperature measurement. That is temperature indicator transmitter. Right, Shabab? And we are bringing it error detector. Here is the set point. This is the PV and this is the error detector. Error. From here we are going to
Transmitter.
temperature indicator controller. And we know all this nowadays temperature indicator controller in one piece. From here, before the heat exchanger, what is the secondary loop? Secondary loop is what, Shabab? We put a error detector, the disturbance here. This is disturbance. Disturbance is coming here. This is the flow process. From the flow process, we take the measurement flow, measurement flow indicator transmitter is taking it. Here we put the error detector. Output of this controller is the set point of this one. Right, Shabab? Then we put flow indicator controller that is giving output to this one. And again, nowadays we know this is one controller. Shabab with me? Shabab with me?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, this place for the disturbance is good or bad? It should be like this or it should be like this. The black one, the blue one is better or the red one is better? Which one is the better?
Red one.
One brother is writing red one is better. Why, brother? Why red one is better? Why not the blue one? Oh no, a lot of brothers they are writing red one is better. Why red one is better? Why not the blue one?
For cascade, I guess.
Sorry?
Cascade.
Which cascade?
The
This is whole thing is cascade. No problem. So why the lot of brothers they are saying red one is better, and this is true. This is true. Red one is actually cascade. But why not the blue one? What is the reason? Some brother has
Because you
writing.
are in your error, teacher.
It is also giving the feedback. This is also giving the feedback. This feedback is without this disturbance. Then the disturbance will go to the primary loop. If we take the feedback like this, the red one, then the disturbance will go the secondary loop. So which one is the better?
Red, I guess, because
Why it is better?
if there is cut or leak in the pipeline, there the sensor.
For that one we have the sensor. For this one we have sensor here. Very good, very good, very good. Brother Ali is writing the disturbance must be with the secondary loop. See the fourth requirement. What is the fourth requirement, Shabab? Please see it, read it again. The fourth requirement. Shabab, please read the fourth requirement. What is that? Brother Ali, I am writing your name for the bonus. Please tell me your ID. Please write your ID. 450. I already have. Yeah, 391450. Yes. Yeah, Shabab, please tell me. What is the fourth requirement of the cascade? Yes, brothers, please. Fourth requirement is what? The maximum disturbances should be in the secondary loop. Remember or not? Any other brother? Please tell me. Just 2-3 brothers they are writing yes. Brother Zahri, you got it or not?
Yes, I got it.
The fourth requirement is what? The maximum disturbances should be in the secondary loop. Now, if this we take the blue line, the disturbance will go in the primary loop. Right?
Yes.
You are with me? So we will take from red line, this one. Then the disturbance will go with the secondary loop. You are with me?
Yes, teacher.
That's good. No, lot of brothers they are writing yes. Shabab, up to here, if any brother has any confusion, anything, please ask. Please ask, Shabab.
Teacher, I don't understand the last point. Teacher, can you
Sorry?
explain? I don't understand the last point. Can you explain this more?
Okay, yeah, we will explain more. No problem, inshallah. There are two possibilities. Either you take feedback from here or you take from here. Right?
Yes.
Now, what is the fourth requirement? Please tell me, what is the fourth requirement for the cascade? Yes, brother, tell me, please. Are you there?
Just code is most advanced application.
No, you tell me in your own words. It is saying the maximum disturbances should be in secondary loop. True or false? You get this point or not?
Yes, I get this point.
Maximum disturbances should be in secondary loop. Okay. If you take the red line, this disturbance will go primary loop or secondary loop. Which loop it will go? If we take the red line.
We'll go to red line.
Secondary, right?
Yes.
If we take the black line, it will go to the primary.
But
Right? Where we gonna put it? Secondary or primary?
secondary.
Secondary. That's it. So we'll take the red line. You got my point?
Yes. Thank you.
That's good. That's good. You are welcome, inshallah. Okay, Shabab. Yes, brother, read the problem. Page 32, problem 3.
32.
Yes, page 32, problem 3.
Teacher,
Yes.
For a primary controller, gain
Okay, that's for primary controller. Yes.
gain 1.5,
Gain is 1.5.
Set point 60%.
Set point 60%.
Process variable 50%.
Process variable 50%.
Manual reset 10%.
Process is reverse. Manual reset.
MR 10%.
MR 10%.
For secondary controller,
For the secondary controller,
gain is 1.
we take the gain 1.5.
PV
Process variable
50%.
50%. Action is direct.
Direct, yeah,
MR
10%.
is 15%.
Teacher,
Okay,
in this
sir.
video loop gain is 1.
No problem. You make it 1.5. No problem. Calculate primary output and secondary output. Get the first. Yes, Shabab. Calculate the primary output, secondary output. Get the first. Take these values.
Again, teacher.
Calculate the primary output, primary controller, output for the secondary controller. Get the first.
Teacher,
Yes.
I finish.
Show me. Get the first.
Wait, teacher.
Or you just tell me the answer.
No.
Teacher, I will tell you the
You
output,
can't see,
teacher.
teacher. Where?
This brother is writing Shabab. Let me just note it. 1.5, 60 minus 50 plus 10. Here he is writing 1. It is also 1.5, brother, not 1. 50 minus 29 plus what?
Where?
Show me,
29 there?
please.
25, teacher.
What you wrote? Huh?
25 there.
25, okay. Plus what?
Plus 10.
Plus 15.
15?
Just see there. KC 1.5, PV 50, DMR 15.
Right.
So is it the first one is equal 25 and other 30?
See here, Shabab. How much is this? This is 60 is good, 50 is good because it is reverse action. It is going to be like this
Yes,
or 50 minus 60
10.
like this, right? SP minus PV. Okay, plus MR 10. So how much? 15 plus 10. How much, Shabab?
25.
25. Okay. Now here PV is 50. This is 1.5. This output is the set point of this one, right? What is the set point of this country?
25.
25%. So we have here 50 minus 25, 1.5 plus MR 15. How much about?
37.5.
How much?
37.5. 30.
37.5. Shubha, verify this calculation is correct. Please verify.
Yes, correct.
Shubha, check it. This is correct. 50 minus 25, how much?
No, teacher. It is
74,
52.5.
teacher. 74.5.
50?
25.5.
2.5.
52.5. 25 into 25. 15. How much about? 52.5. That's good. No, a lot of brothers they are writing. Okay, Shabab. This is our calculation. Now these calculations we wanna put on the PID diagram. This PID diagram we wanna put the calculation. All those calculations we wanna put here. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Okay, Shabab. What is PV for the primary? PV for the primary is where?
50 at the
I should put here or here? Where?
primary here. Yeah.
Here?
Yes.
Okay, this is 50%. Okay, what is the set point for the primary?
60.
60. So 60% here. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Right.
How much is the error?
10% because it's reversed.
10%. Where I should write it? Error is where? Error detector is where?
After the controller or before.
In the controller. In the controller.
Yeah.
10%. It is in the controller. Right?
Okay, fine.
Action is reverse. This R I should write where?
Inside
In the
also.
controller,
Inside the controller. It is also inside the controller. How much is the output of the controller?
25.
25%. What is the set point for this controller?
25 again.
25 also.
25%. How much is the error for this controller?
25.
20.
The error is
25.
25.
25. Inside the controller. How much is the PV?
50%.
50.
50%. Very good. How much is the output?
52.5.
52.5%. Action is direct. Where I should write action direct?
Inside the controller.
Inside the controller. Right, Shabab? Any question up here, Shabab? Same numbers we're gonna put here.
Teacher, this diagram you will fill it now. What's this diagram, teacher?
That before we fill, that was PID diagram. This is block diagram. How much is the set point here, Shabab? What is the set point here?
60. 60.
60%. Very good. How much PV here?
50%.
50%. Very good. What is the error?
10%.
25.
That's good. Not a brother writing them. What is the output of the controller? How much is the output?
25.
25%. Lot of brother writing, mashallah. Okay. Set point 25%. What is PV here?
50. 50%.
50%. Very good. Very good. What is the error here? 25%. Very good. What is the action here? Direct. What is the action here? Reverse. How much is the output of the controller?
52.5.
52.5. Very good. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. Yes, Shabab, please ask. If you have any question, please ask. Okay.
Teacher,
Second part, Shabab.
Can you
Yes.
can you repeat? I have confusion, teacher, when you put this in BID program. Can you repeat? I didn't understand it. Listen,
What?
in BID the ground. 1 minute. In BID the ground. And
Yeah, please ask. What is your question? Please ask.
yes, teacher. Why I don't
Yes.
understand this number, teacher.
What you don't understand?
Set point. Why? I have confusion. especially in the number.
No, there is no confusion. These are the given numbers, right?
Yes.
No, these numbers we are just putting here. No, what is the set point? 60%. We are putting here 60. Right?
Yes. Yes.
This is given. There is no confusion. This is given. We are not bringing it. How much is the PV? 50%. It is given.
And
You get my point?
whereas yes, I get your point, but I don't understand what is the what is the main functional for MB teacher?
For what?
What is the main function for MB for
MP is the output for the primary controller. MP is the output for the primary controller, right?
yes.
Okay, which one is the primary controller? This one or this one? Which one is primary controller?
This one, teacher, B.
This one, temperature one, right?
Yes.
So the output one, how much output we calculate? 25%, right?
Yes. 25.
So here we put the 25%.
Yeah.
You
Signal.
get my point?
Yes. Yes, I understand now, teacher.
Okay, that's good. That's good. MashaAllah. That's good. Okay, Jawab. Now the part B, we have valve, normally closed. Final control element is what? Normally closed valve. Normally closed. How much it is open? How much open? Yeah, Shabab. Give the complete answer. Get the first. We have final control element, a valve that is normally closed. How much it is open? Give the complete answer. Get the first.
It will be teacher 47.5%.
You give the complete procedure, complete answer, not just the number.
Okay, I will draw that.
Teacher,
Yes.
I get 75.
No, please tell the complete procedure. You show me complete procedure.
Okay, I will.
Okay, so first of all, which output we will take? We will take this output, blue one, or this red one. Which one we will take? Primary output or secondary output?
Secondary.
Secondary. Very good. This is the always the final control element. It is with the secondary loop. So we will take the secondary output. Right, Shabab? So always what we do from the first day, we have this procedure. Output, we are taking secondary 0 to 100%. Right, Shabab? And what is the name of the valve? Normally closed. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So here 100% closed. Here 0% closed. Here 0% open. And here 100% open. Right, Shabab? What is the output?
Teacher, I solved it, teacher.
Show me.
In the camera.
Yeah, yes. Bring it near to the camera. I cannot see it. 52.5% you are saying. Okay, let's do it. If it is, we'll give you the first. If it is okay.
Okay.
Okay, Shabab. So what is the output? How much is the output? 52.5. Right, Shabab? How much? 52.5%. Shabab with me?
Yes.
So how much is the open? How much open? And how much close?
47.5.
Yes, brother, your answer is correct. What is your ID? Please tell me your ID.
391
391
900
900
530.
530.
Yes.
That's good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, brother, any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. A lot of brother, they are writing no questions. Okay, no problem.
I guess still we have to calculate more questions like this to.
Yeah, there are a lot of questions you will see, inshallah. Don't worry. We're going to solve right now one more question. After that, there are a lot of other questions.
Okay, fine.
And the secondary output is 35%. PV is 50%. Set point is 10%. And we need to find the MR. Right, Shabab? Action is direct. From the primary loop, MP is 25%. We need to find the error if MR is 10%. Yes, Shabab. So how we should start it?
Find the error first. Error for
Find
the primary.
Can we find the error directly from the primary? Primary is equal to what? Kc E plus MR. Right?
Yes.
So MP is what? 25. Kc we don't know.
And the error.
Error we don't know. This is 10.
But we know of the secondary teacher. Yes. So we can't
Sorry?
find. We know the error of the secondary, so we can't find the
Okay.
MR from there. Oh, but there is no KC. Yeah.
Yes, Shabab. KC1? No, we don't know the KC1. We don't know the KC2. Right, Shabab?
Teacher,
Yes.
KC multiply error equal 25 minus 10. This KC had error.
Yeah. Error is still there. And if we put here in the primary secondary controller, right, Shabab? Is the case is given here?
No, there is no KC.
Okay. Then I have a question. Is it really cascade control? No. Why? Why not? What is the reason? Lot of brothers they are saying no, it is not cascade. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason it is not cascade? Very good. Very good. A lot of brothers they are writing. Output of the primary controller, Shabab, output of the primary controller must be set point of the secondary controller. Shabab with me? Shabab with me?
Yes.
Is it correct? Output of the primary controller is equal to the secondary controller, set point of the secondary controller. Is it correct here?
No.
It is not. So it means it is not cascaded system at all. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Shabab with me? So your answer should be we cannot find anything out of these because it is not cascaded system. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
Any question up to here, Shabab? Now we're gonna discuss a PID diagram that again is not cascaded. We need to make it cascaded. Shabab with me? Now see here, this is Shabab a reactor, a silo like this. There is a temperature indicator transmitter is here. Temperature indicator controller is there. This is the set point here. This is PV. This is stream is coming. Valve is here. There is a temperature indicator controller 2 here. This is 1. I2P converter is there. Imagine this is normally closed. Is it cascade, Shabab? Is it cascade system?
No, teacher, because there is no secondary control.
Very good. What is not there?
Secondary controller, there is no, and there is no flow.
Secondary controller is there.
There is no flow in the, yes.
No?
Flow, the flow sensor.
No, there is no flow. This is temperature. Very good. A lot of brothers they are writing now. Secondary loop does not have any sensor. There is no sensor for the secondary loop. So we'll put here a sensor. Temperature indicator transmitter 2. This is 1 and we'll connect with it. Shabab with me? Shabab with me?
Yes, with you.
Okay, that's good. So like before our question, our problem, first of all, with the given diagram or given question, we need to make sure it is cascade. Shabab with me? If it is claimed in the question, it is cascade. Yeah, if it is not claimed, no problem. Okay, Shabab, which one is the primary controller here? Which one is the primary controller?
Above that.
Bilateral control.
Temperature control 1 or 2, both are temperature control now.
1.
1 is the primary controller. Why it is primary? Why not the temperature indicator controller 2 is primary? Why number 1 is primary?
Because it's far from the valve, I guess, or it's near the temperature indicator.
No, it is not the reason. No.
Secondary with
Yes,
sensor.
Sorry?
Secondary with sensor connect.
We also have the sensor. If you are saying this is primary, then this is also have the sensor. This is also have the sensor.
Because the secondary is connected with the inlet.
Inlet of what?
The valve.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. The secondary, the final control element is with the secondary controller. You are with me?
Yes, with you.
So, primary is taking the direct set point. Who is taking the direct set point? Primary. And it does not have any final control element with it. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So, output of primary controller is the set point of the secondary controller, right?
Yes.
You are with me? Here, the primary controller we are giving, ourselves is giving set point. See here. For the secondary controller, set point is coming from here. You are with me?
With you, teacher. Continue.
Okay. What is this? What is this?
The PV.
PV. Very good. Alert should be this side or this side? Which side it is correct?
Right side.
Right side. This side. This side is correct, right? This is what, Shabab?
The output
Out.
of
Output of the secondary controller.
yes.
Right, Shabab? This is head of the silo, head, and this is neck of this tank. So here, what we are controlling? This here. Which temperature we are controlling? Which one is the main temperature? Head
Temperature
or
two.
neck?
Neck.
I guess head.
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 Head is the main temperature. We are controlling the head temperature in terms of neck temperature. Shabab with me?
Yes.
So somebody can ask you, describe the control. Okay, what is this type of control, Shabab? Cascade, right? Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes, with you.
How many master, how many slave? One master, one slave. Which one is the master controller, Shabab? Which one is the master? Number 1, very good. This is master controller, this is slave controller. This is primary controller, this is secondary controller. Okay. What is the master sensor? Temperature. Temperature sensor is the master sensor. What is the luckily secondary sensor? Also the temperature. Primary transmitter, temperature transmitter. Secondary also temperature transmitter. So all this is the description. We also put the signal flow. We also put the signal flow. It is going this way, this way, this way, this way. Right, Shabab?
Yes. Right.
So it is controlling what? Yes, Shabab. It is controlling which temperature?
Head temperature.
Head temperature in terms of neck temperature. Shabab with me?
Yes.
This was controlling what? This was controlling this temperature in terms of flow. Shabab with me?
Yes, with you, teacher.
Same, it is controlling head temperature in terms of neck. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask.
So teacher, head and neck coming just in the temperature controlling.
Sorry?
This is two type temperature, yeah?
Yeah, luckily both are temperature. You
Yes.
know.
So
This is the main one. This is the primary one. This is the secondary one.
yes. So if there is two temperature always coming like that, head and neck.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Shabab. This is the problem. Primary gain is how much?
65%.
1. Set point 60%. PV 65%. Action is direct. MR 5%. We need to calculate MP. KC gain is 1. PV 60%. MR 10%. Action is again direct. We need to find the MS, secondary output.
So at first find the primary.
Yes,
And
primary and secondary both.
yes, after that you got the output of the primary as before. Put it as
Yes, also primary, also secondary. So how much is the primary?
10.
Primary how much?
10%.
10%. That's good. Lot of brother, they are already found 10%. So how we get Shabab? 65 minus 60? 5. 5 into 1, 5 plus 5, 10%. So this is also the set point here. So what is the set point for the secondary?
10%.
10%. Very good. So how much is secondary? 1, 60 minus 10, how much?
50.
50 plus 10, how much?
60.
60%. Now show these values here on the diagram. Indicate these values on the diagram.
The PV of the first controller is equal 65.
This is how much?
65.
65%. Very good.
SP is 60.
How much SP?
60.
60%. Very good.
The
Where I should write D
direct inside with error.
inside the controller. Okay. MR. Where I should write MR?
Inside also?
Inside. Very good. You put the MR in the controller in the lab, you know.
Error.
How much M, Shabab?
10.
10%. How much SP?
10.
10%. How much PV? This PV?
60.
60.
60%. How much MR?
10.
10%.
10%.
10%. Where I should write the D?
Inside.
How much output?
60.
60.
What about error?
Yes, Shabab.
Is it okay to ignore it?
Sorry?
The error inside.
There is no question to calculate the error here, right?
So that's why we don't have to put it. Okay.
So, question is this, put these numbers. So we put these numbers.
Okay, fine.
Again, if we want to put the error, we will put where?
Inside, as same as MR and direct.
Same as MR. Very good. Inside the controller. So this is error is here 5. If it is asked also put the error, we'll put the 5 here. What is error here? 50, right?
Yes.
So we will put the 50 in this controller. If it is asked, put the error also. Shabab with me?
Yeah. Yes.
Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. This is the drum of the boiler, Shabab. This is the drum of the boiler. Feed water is coming and entering the boiler. This is what, Shabab? Feed water. So we put here level indicator transmitter. This sends the signal level indicator controller. It has a set point. Here we take the flow measurement. Flow indicator transmitter is there. That is sending signal to flow indicator controller. Here we put the valve. I2B converter is there. Like this.
Can I ask, teacher?
Sorry?
Can I ask about something?
Ask about what?
About why to put 2 lines in each boiler and pipeline. Yeah.
Where are 2 lines?
In level indicator and flow. Okay.
Yeah, that is my question actually. What is this signal, Shabab? This signal type is what? Like we have signal, this one, electrical signal, right? This one, we have pneumatic signal, right?
Is it mechanical?
This is which type?
Hydraulic.
Yeah, Shabab. This is capillary tubing. What type signal? Very small tubing in which liquid flows. So it is kind of hydraulic, but the hydraulic symbol is also different. So this is capillary tubing. So Which type of sensor is this, Shabab? It has two connections. So which type of sensor is this?
Pressure sensor,
Which type of sensor?
transmitter, pressure transmitter.
It is not pressure transmitter, first of all. I am not asking that. I am asking which type of transmitter is this? Lot of brothers, they are writing level transmitter. It is written here level. What type? It is type of this transmitter is what? First of all, it is direct or indirect. Which type? This sensor. Direct level measurement or indirect level measurement?
Direct, direct.
Yes, Shabab. Any other brother? It is direct measurement or indirect measurement? It is indirect measurement. It is not measuring the level directly. It is measuring the pressure. And then the pressure is being converted into the level. So now what type of pressure it is measuring? What type of sensor is it? What type of pressure it is measuring? It is measuring differential pressure. Some brothers is writing pneumatic this and that. No, it is measuring differential pressure. Which pressure it is measuring, Shabab? Differential pressure. The difference in the pressure. One pressure is here, one pressure is here. So which pressure is higher? This one is higher or this one is higher? Which one? Lower is higher or this one is higher?
The last one. On the up.
Lower one is higher or upper one?
Upper one.
Are you sure?
I guess that, yeah.
This one is higher, the lower one is higher or upper one is higher? No, imagine that tank is full up to here. It is full of water up to here. So this one will be more pressure or here will be more pressure?
Oh, down will be more.
Okay. Now it is differential pressure. So it will measure the differential pressure and then convert into the level signal. What type of sensor is this? This is what type of sensor, Shabab?
Low. Low.
What is the type of the sensor? I am not asking. Orifice plate. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing orifice plate. So this is orifice plate. Orifice plate is also an element to create the differential pressure. So it is also calculating the differential pressure. So here inlet is more pressure or outlet is more pressure? Which one is more pressure? The fluid is entering from here. The water is entering from here, leaving here. So inlet is more pressure or outlet? Inlet. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing inlet. So this is also differential pressure type sensor. Indirect. It is converting the differential pressure into flow. Here it is converting the differential pressure into level. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? Okay, that's good. Lot of brothers they are saying yes. Okay. Now, first of all, we need to put the signal flow. So the signal flow here, this side or this side, Shabab? Which side? Left or right?
Right.
Very good. Very good. This side. Here, up or down?
Down.
Down. That's good. Here, up or down? Down. Very good. Here, left or right?
Left.
Left.
Okay, Shabab. What is the name of this thing?
BB.
PVSPM PV. Very
BV.
good. What is that?
Output.
What is this? Output. That's very good. Lot of brothers are writing M. What is here?
EV. Set point. Set
What
point.
is here? Here. That
Set
point.
point.
Very good. What is here?
BV.
First of all, this is wrong. This is not downward. I don't know why I put. Somebody told me downward. I put the downward. It is downward or upward, Shabab?
Up.
Up.
Up. This is transmitter. It is sending a signal. It is upward. So what is this?
PV.
PV. What is this?
M output.
M output. Okay, Shabab. Which one is the primary controller here?
The up one on the up level
No,
indicator.
tell me, level controller or the flow controller, which one is the primary?
Level controller.
Level, very good. Primary controller is this one. Which one is the secondary?
Flow controller.
Flow is the secondary, very good. What is the primary element?
Level.
Level. What is the secondary one? Flow. What is the primary transmitter? Level indicator transmitter. What is secondary transmitter? Flow indicator transmitter. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Okay, Shabab. How many master controllers are here? One master. One master. How many slaves are there?
One slave.
One slave. So this is cascade control with one master, one slave controller. Right, Shabab?
Could be more than that, teacher.
Yes, they are coming, inshallah, don't worry. So this one master, one slave, cascade control. Right, Shabab?
Right.
Okay, Shabab. Here what we are controlling? What is our main control? Level of the boiler drum. Level we are controlling here, level of the boiler drum in terms of flow. In terms of flow of feed water. Shabab with me? Shabab with me?
Yes, with you, teacher.
That's good. Lot of brothers are writing yes. So what we are controlling here? What we are controlling here?
Level
of the boiler drum. Level of the boiler drum in terms of what?
the pressure. Comes the pressure.
Flow, not pressure. In terms of flow. Shabab with me?
Yes, with you.
Yes, brother. Any question up to here? Yes, Shabab, any question up to here? Yes, Shabab. Lot of brothers, they are writing no question. So, Shabab, what we discussed today? We start with the cascade, we define the cascade, then we make the block diagram of the cascade, then we discuss the drawbacks in the feedback loop, then we did not discuss all, we just discussed two, but in our book I wrote all. Then we discuss how to remove those drawbacks, and we bring the cascade. Then we discuss the requirements for the cascade. There are 4 requirements. Then we solve some problems and we put the values on the block diagram, on the PID diagram. Then we start discussing the systems. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes.
So up to now, we discuss about 4 systems of the cascade. Inshallah, coming week, we will continue them. Cascade, and then after finishing the cascade, we'll start the ratio controller, inshallah ta'ala. So again, if some brother has any question, please ask me. If you have question right now, you can ask me right now. If you have question after, you can send me the mail, you can see me in the lab, wherever you want. Everybody remember about our quiz, Shabab?
Teacher.
Shabab, give me 1 minute, brother, 1 minute. Shabab, everybody remember about our quiz? Our quiz is on Monday, right?
Monday coming. Yeah.
Coming Monday, inshallah. All the brother need to start at the same time. Shabab with me? Because it will finish, it will end in 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you will not see anything. So if you start like after 10 minutes, you have just 10 minutes. Shabab with me? So all the brother gonna start the quiz at the same time. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes, good. A lot of brothers are saying yes. Okay, now please ask the question. Some brother was asking the question. Yes, brother, please ask.
Teacher, the quiz, what will be on the chapter what? Up to here or before?
What?
The quiz, what will be up to here?
The quiz is whatever we discuss here on the board until the last week.
Oh, okay, okay.
It is including chapter 3 and 4. You got my point?
Okay, thank you, teacher.
But I am saying again, a lot of things, they are not in our book that we are doing here in the class. So don't follow just the book. Follow these videos. Follow this class board. This board, follow it. Shubha with me?
Yes, teacher.
Shubha with me? That's good. A lot of brothers are saying yes. So you need to follow our videos for the chapter 3 and 4. Just book is not enough. And in the books, there are also some mistakes. Those are, we are, correcting them here. So please follow the videos. Follow here for chapter 3 and 4. Chapter 3 is what, Shabab? PID controllers, right? Chapter 4 is what? Tuning. Shabab with me?
The